Welcome back to my study table. The Management Wit series are quick overviews of certain frequently heard concepts in management, and today under this series I will give you a snapshot of what corporate finance is. Corporate finance is a branch of finance that deals with how corporations raise and deploy capital to create wealth for the organization and its stakeholders. Let's go through the components one by one. Corporate finance deals with how companies raise money in the form of debt and equity to fund their core operations. So broadly, it covers sources of funds, that is debt and equity, capital structuring, that is the optimal ratio combination of debt and equity, and investment decisions, that is where to invest, which products and projects to choose and fund, and which assets to purchase. The primary goal of corporate finance is to maximize shareholder value through strategic financial planning. By shareholder value, we mean increased shareholders' wealth that can be measured through certain metrics such as EPS, PE, ROE, etc. The theory of corporate finance explains how decisions taken by corporate managers have implications on the valuation of a company. The objective of any company would be to see a steady rise in its valuation. Thus, the financial contracts and investment decisions that emerge from the interactions between the two agents, that is, the managers and the investors, require a very clear and rational understanding of financing and investing patterns. This is popularly known as behavioral corporate finance. So the effect of good corporate finance decisions are, they finally percolate down to growth, prosperity, wealth, and stakeholder value creation. So in a nutshell, corporate finance covers planning the finance, raising the finance or funds, investing the funds, and continuously monitoring and reviewing the finance. And the topics that we usually study under the broad head of corporate finance includes forecasting and budgeting the funds, corporate valuation, capital structuring and restructuring, capital budgeting to help choose the right project for investment, selecting the optimal source from the various sources of funds available, hedging techniques to mitigate risk, portfolio theory, profit and wealth creation theories, and dividend theory. Hope you found this video informative. You could go through my channel to learn more on personal finance, financial management, security analysis, portfolio management, as well as other management related subjects. Here's to happy learning now and always.